Welcome back to HH Insurance's monthly newsletter. This October, we're focusing on something that can put real money back in your pocket. Homeowners insurance discounts that many Florida residents don't even know they qualify for. These aren't small savings either. We're talking about potential savings of $1,000 to $1,500 per year on your homeowner's premium. Let's start with hurricane clips, one of the most overlooked discounts in Florida. Hurricane clips, often known as roof-to-wall connections, secure your roof structure to your home's walls. Here's what you need to know. Everyone qualifies for this discount, but most homes built after the 1970s in Southwest Florida and 1980s in the Panhandle and Orlando areas already have this credit applied to their policy. However, most homes built prior to these dates can still get the credit by retrofitting their homes and having clips installed. Now, how much can you save? If you're currently paying around $5,000 per year for homeowners coverage, adding hurricane clips could drop your premium to approximately $4,000. That's $1,000 per year in annual savings. The key is working with a qualified retrofit company to install the clips and then getting us an updated wind mitigation inspection to verify the installation for your insurance carrier. Now, how else can you save? Is hurricane shutters and impact-resistant glass windows and doors. So who qualifies for this? Homes built prior to 2002 to 2012, depending on your specific location in Florida. Just like with hurricane clips, this discount can reduce a $5,000 premium down to around $4,000 annually. Now here's where it gets interesting. If you have both hurricane clips and shutters or impact glass, your savings compounds. That same $5,000 premium could drop to approximately $3,500 due to the combined effect of these credits plus other policy discounts you may have. Now, one thing to keep in mind is that the hurricane impact glass credit does require that all windows and doors are protected. So how do you pay for this? Well, you can use the My Safe Florida Home program. This is a state-funded program that provides free wind mitigation inspections and grants up to $10,000 to help Florida homeowners make their home more hurricane resistant. The program has $280 million of funding for 2025. So who qualifies for this? All Florida homeowners with single-family homes or townhouses can apply. It must be your primary residence with homestead exemption. It must be a site-built property, meaning not manufactured or mobile homes. The house has to be built prior to January 1st, 2008. It has to have an insured value of $700,000 or less, and you must have active homeowners insurance coverage. The program processes application in priority groups of low income first, then moderate income, then all others. But everyone can eventually apply and receive grants if funding remains available. The program can help fund hurricane clips, impact windows, roof improvements, and other qualifying storm-resistant upgrades. The inspection and improvement recommendations are provided at no cost to qualified homeowners. Now, here's another discount that's gaining popularity: are water leak detection and automatic shutoff systems. About 70% of insurance carriers now offer credits for these systems. We typically see credits around 5 to 10% of your premium. So does it make sense for you? Well, on a $2,000 premium, a 5 to 10% rate credit saves you $100 to $200 per year. If the system costs $1,000, it may not make rate sense. However, on a $5,000 or greater premium, that same credit saves you $250 to $500 annually, making it potentially a smart investment that pays for itself. Even if the premium savings don't justify the cost, these systems can prevent thousands of dollars in water damage, potentially saving you from having to pay your deductible and reducing the risk of a claim on your policy. Water damage claims can also lead to premium increases or non-renewal, making the prevention valuable beyond just the immediate discount. Finally, let's address flood barrier systems. While these can be excellent protection for your property, At this time, there is no discount available from insurance carriers for flood barriers on flood insurance policies for residential properties. However, this is an evolving area and will keep you updated if carriers begin offering credits for these systems. The bottom line is that these discounts can add up to significant savings, but they require documentation and sometimes upfront investment and improvements. Every home and situation is different, which is why we recommend getting a personalized analysis. If you'd like to see how these discounts might impact your specific policy, please email us at rmt@hhinsgroup.com. We can review your current coverage and send over specific ideas and potential savings for your properties. Don't leave money on the table. These discounts exist for a reason, and they could be putting hundreds or even thousands of dollars back in your pocket every year. Thanks for watching, and remember, we're here to help you get the best coverage at the best price.